Huh? Hello? Oh. Baby game. Okay. Oh no. Come on! This is when I might lose my mind. That was my chance. 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 Shabong. Somewhere beyond the sea. Go as fast as you can. Okay, if I can get there. Whee! But he's so cute. Ah! Oh, the tiny little baby hitbox with little baby Vsub with the tiny little baby hitbox. Oh, the tiny hitbox, you can hit your little toes. Oh, look out, Vsub. Oh, the tiny shell bone that lived in a shoe. Woo! Oh, baby's first toe game. Shut up. Oh my god! Oh my god! Game so hard! Wow! Mo challenge! Oh my oopsie! Game so difficult! Wow! Ooh, shark, no skill, shark. Very bad. Not my streamer. Oh my god, I'm going to scream and shout and let it all out. And scream and shout. Say whoa, 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 whoa. Everybody shut up! streamer luck. Amnesiac, you shut your mouth. You shut your damn mouth. Do you know why? I just spent the past 3 hours suffering through this. That is not streamer luck. You compliment my brain right now. Don't you dare. Don't you dare say that's streamer luck. No. No. Oh! Yeah! Oh my God. 1,134 deaths.